Tom.
Yeah. I'll see Mother in New York before I go. Is there anything you want me to tell her?
Hello?
Right.
Good luck, kid.
Davy, it's from Papa. Read it out loud.
Dear boys, it was good to get your letters. Good to hear all is going well.
So much has changed since you were here. The war still seems remote to us on the island, but yet closer. There are a few more refugees coming through here now. The Germans are sinking a lot of ships in the stream between here and Florida. Sometimes at night you can see them burning, often 2 and 3 at a time. There isn't enough Navy, British or American, around to do anything about it. Work has been progressing steadily and well since you left. I've completed 5 or 6 pieces to sell in New York, and am now working very hard to get ahead so we can fish. I love the sea, and would not be anywhere else. She's my home, my religion. Perhaps correctly, I should say that she is what we have instead of religion or God. She creates life, and she ends it. She has beauty and great mystery, and she is eternal. This island is a lovely place, but the house is empty. I think I know almost all there is to know about living alone, and I have known what it is to live with someone who you love and who loves you. I've always loved you boys, but I've never before realized how bad it is that I do not live with you. I feel isolated. I keep remembering how happy I became when you were all here. You moved into a part of me that, when you moved out, became empty. And it's been bad for a long time. When you were here, we experienced happiness.
Now in the night, I'm lonely for it. But I know the loneliness is only a stage on the way until you all come back.
All my love, your father.